Alright, we're out on the journey. Me and Annabelle. She just woke up, so she's being shy. Gonna do a little sledding action. I'm supposed to be on crutches. I'm on a crutch because of my knee surgery. Don't tell anybody. So I will be the designated driver today. I'm gonna pull her around in the field on those sleds. And what am I pulling her in? That black beauty right there. Looks pretty cool with the snow on it. I had it going. I was trying to get it warmed up. We'll have to get a little bit of snow off of it. Alright, so we got in the Raptor and got it ready. What I do is we go out in our field. I've got some acreage here, and so I'd put a tow strap on the back there. I don't know if you can see that on my hitch, and then we just get busy. Either one. I do the disc. Grab onto that rope, that tow strap, and I'm gonna take you for a ride. If at any time I'm going too fast, just yell out. What's our safe word?
Stop.
Stop is our safe word? That's pretty boring. Create a little loop with that hook, and then put your hand in it. Actually, don't do that. Then you get trapped and your hand will tear off, and that'd be bad. Mom would be mad at me. It should be long enough to where I could see you. Yeah, I can barely see the top of her head. Here we go. We had our first wipeout. Was it fun?
I just fell off.
All right. You want me to go faster?
Sure.
Okay. All right, I will. Alright, we're breaking out another sled. Hopefully go a little faster. We can get up to about 15 miles an hour, and that's about as fast as we can go, and then she wipes out. So we'll see what she can do on this one. There you go, girl. Got up to about 20 there. That was awesome.
Yeah.
I got up to like 25 miles an hour at some point.
That was fun.
Okay, Mom said breakfast is ready.
Okay.
You got snow all over you.
No. It keeps blowing in my face.
All right, I'll just pull back in. Don't worry about the strap. That's what you call donuts, Oklahoma style. About 35 years ago, my grandfather would take me out in a 1960 four-door Falcon out in the country roads and do the exact same thing. Hook a rope to the back of the car, pull me down the road. I thought I was going 100 miles an hour, of course, probably going 10. Raptor performed flawlessly as usual, and Annabelle had a good time. Now I get to try to get out of the car without killing myself. This could be fun. Oh. And of course, my daughter abandons me and just goes inside. Oh, let's see. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's my bad leg, so that's not good. Oh, I love being helpless. Not. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. See you next time.